Now look at question number 9. What is 9 question? Here 2y plus 5 upon 3 equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. So first transfer the variable minus y will transfer on right hand side, it will change into plus y equal to 26 upon 3 as it is. Now plus 5 by 3 will transfer on that side, it will become minus 5 by 3. Okay. Now it's very clear. Okay, variable in one side and number fraction is one side. Now what? 2x plus 1, 2y plus 1y. What? 3y. Okay. 2y और 1y plus होके 3y बन गए. Okay. Equal to, here denominator is same 3. No need to take LCM. Just write 3. Okay. Now 26 as it is minus 5 as it is, because 3 divided by 3 you will get 1. 26 ones are 26. 3 divided by 3 you will get 1 again. 5 ones are 5. Now 26 minus 5 you will get 3y equal to 26 minus 5, 21 upon 3. Can you cut 21 upon 3? Yes, by dividing. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. Now next step, 3y equal to 7. Okay, 3y equal to 7. Now 3y is in the form of multiplication, so change it into division. So y equal to 7 upon 3, like this. So our answer of this question is y equal to 7 upon 3. Okay, now look at our last question of this exercise, 10th question.